What's going on, everyone? This is Slackerman with another diecast model review. Today we are looking at the Century Wings. This is the 1 in 144 scale A7 Corsair 2. This is the U.S. Navy VA-82 Marauders, 1978. This jet was primarily used in the Vietnam War. Century Wings usually does 1/72 scale diecast models, but they did for a while do a small line of 1 in 144 scale jets, mainly the F-14, a few squadrons there, the A7, and then I believe they did the A6 as well. For the A7, they just did one model, which is this one, and the A6, they just did one. I do have another F-14 coming in, the Black Knights. That was kind of a hard one to find, so I'm going to be doing a review on that to add to my collection. So taking a look at this model, usually Century Wings is one of the best scale models you can get, even a little bit better than Hobby Masters, especially in the 1/144 scale. This is probably the best detailed in this scale model that I've seen. It does come with this pretty cool stand, so it looks like a carrier deck there, being ready to be launched. So taking a look at the front, you have a nice detail of the cockpit. The writing there, you have the captain's name, the Navy star there, 300. You have the big kind of ugly air intake up front. You have the kind of similar to the F-14 Tomcat, that middle green heads-up display window there, so that's pretty cool. The armament, you have some, I believe that's a Sparrow on the side. You have some bombs. Maybe those are big cluster bombs. The fuel tank, and then a Sidewinder in the middle, or closer to the jet, I should say. Some nice detail with the blue. Looking at the back here, you have VA-82 Marauders. Their little symbol, whatever that's supposed to be, an eagle or a bird. And you have AJ. Navy. So again, all the panel lining, the paintwork is really well done on this. You have the USS Nimitz, and then there is the big jet engine. Taking a look at the other side, same deal. You have the same armament, the Sparrows, the big cluster bombs, fuel tank, and another Sidewinder. It is just screwed into the base, so I will probably unscrew this just so I can have it free. Again, the paintwork and the detail is really top-notch with this. So you can see the gray and the kind of cream color paintwork. This is pretty similar to like the F-14 Grim Reapers, or not Grim Reapers, Jolly Rogers, I should say. They kind of have that cream colored paint on those F-14s. So it's a pretty cool color scheme. I really like this a lot. Again, these are pretty hard to find, the Century Wings 1/144 scale, especially this one, because this is the only A7 that they did. The F-14s are a little bit easier to find, but even those are hard because you have like the Jolly Rogers, the Black Knights, and a few other squadrons that they did. I do again have the F-14 Black Knights that I actually bought from the same person that was selling his collection, so I'll be doing a review on that. These just come in a nice box, gives you some pictures of what is on the model that you can take out. The pilots there, I believe the pilots, he must have lost them because I didn't get those, but normally all of the Century Wings comes with two little pilots that you can actually put in the cockpit there. So again, really cool model. This is easily the best detailed 1/144 scale model that you can get. They're just really hard to find. So hope everyone liked the video. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.